Designing scalable machine learning systems requires understanding architecture and project structure. Key patterns include modular design, separation of concerns, and efficient data handling. These principles ensure robust, maintainable applications. Proper architecture supports seamless integration of machine learning models into production environments, facilitating scalability and reliability. This foundation is crucial for transitioning from experimental code to production-ready systems. The course journey begins with understanding machine learning system design patterns and project structures for scalability. We then focus on developing robust models with effective training pipelines and validation. Interface design follows, emphasizing intuitive graphical user interfaces and representational state transfer application programming interfaces. Finally, we cover deployment strategies and performance monitoring, ensuring experimental code evolves into production-ready systems. Production machine learning systems integrate data pipelines for ingestion, cleaning, and feature engineering, alongside model-serving layers for efficient inference. User-facing application programming interfaces, or graphical user interfaces, form the interface layer, while monitoring systems track performance and detect drift. Embracing microservices, these architectures ensure modularity, scalability, and observability, enhancing code quality and enabling rapid iteration. A well-organized project structure enhances maintainability and collaboration. The ML project directory separates concerns, with data for raw and processed data, models for serialized models and experiments, and SRC for production code. This structure ensures clarity, allowing team members to easily navigate and understand the code base, facilitating efficient development and deployment. Scikit-learn excels in traditional machine learning with a consistent application programming interface, ideal for classification and regression. TensorFlow, Keras, is perfect for deep learning and large-scale deployments, offering TensorFlow serving and mobile deployment. PyTorch is favored in research for its Pythonic application programming interface and ease of debugging, suitable for experimental models and custom architectures. Building a robust machine learning pipeline involves automating the transformation of raw data into predictions. Key stages include data ingestion, pre-processing, feature engineering, model training, and deployment. Each stage ensures systematic data handling, enhancing reproducibility, and simplifying issue resolution. Pre-processing is crucial for clean, consistent data input. Use scikit-learn's pipeline to chain transformations, ensuring uniform pre-processing during training and inference. Column transformer applies different transformations to numeric and categorical features. Fit pre-processing steps on training data only to avoid data leakage, then transform both training and test data with these parameters. Effective model training requires more than just calling fit. Implement cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning using grid search CV for optimized results. Evaluate models with classification reports and confusion matrices. Save models and pre-processing pipelines with joblib to ensure consistent inference. This approach ensures reproducibility and optimized performance in machine learning projects. Experiment tracking is crucial in machine learning, capturing code versions, hyperparameters, and metrics to ensure reproducibility. Tools like MLflow, weights and biases, and data version control streamline this process, saving time and enhancing iteration speed. These tools enable scientific comparison and revisiting promising models, ensuring 100% reproducibility and significantly faster development cycles. FastAPI is the preferred framework for production machine learning APIs, offering speed akin to Node.js and Go, with Python's simplicity. It features automatic API documentation via OpenAPI and robust data validation through Pydantic models. Built on Starlet, it supports asynchronous operations, ensuring high performance and type safety with Python 3.6 plus type hints. This FastAPI implementation demonstrates a production-ready API for machine learning model serving. It includes error handling, input validation, and response models. The API loads a trained model and preprocessor, defines request and response schemas, and efficiently handles predictions. Key endpoints include single and batch predictions, with automatic interactive documentation available for testing. Incorporate version numbers in API paths like v1 predict to ensure backward compatibility. Implement rate limiting using tools like SlowAPI to prevent abuse. Secure APIs with OAuth 2, JWT tokens, or API keys. Use Pydantic for input validation and return meaningful error messages. Cache frequent predictions to reduce latency and computational costs. PyQt6 is a robust framework for building professional desktop applications with a native look across platforms. It offers a rich widget library, excellent documentation, and a strong community. The model view architecture enhances maintainability, while signals and slots simplify event handling. PyQt6 supports complex layouts, custom styling, and threading for responsive graphical user interfaces. This PyQt6 application demonstrates a professional machine learning prediction interface. It uses threading to keep the graphical user interface responsive during model inference. The interface includes input fields for age, income, credit score, occupation, city, and education. A background thread loads the model, enabling predictions with validated inputs, ensuring a seamless user experience. Choosing between a GUI and an API depends on your audience and use case. GUIs like PyQt6 offer rich interactions and offline capabilities, ideal for end users and data scientists. APIs, such as FastAPI, provide scalable, cloud-ready solutions for integration and microservices. A hybrid approach can leverage both, catering to diverse user needs while maintaining consistent model logic. Docker transforms machine learning deployment by encapsulating applications, dependencies, and environments into portable containers, ensuring consistent behavior across stages. It handles complex dependencies, offering isolation and efficiency. Containers start quickly, support multiple models on one host, and integrate seamlessly with continuous integration, continuous deployment, simplifying deployment, scaling, and version control. This Docker file for a machine learning API employs multi-stage builds to minimize image size and enhances security by using a non-root user. It efficiently caches dependencies and sets up a health check for reliability. The final image exposes port 8000 and runs the application with Uvicorn. Use .dockerignore to exclude unnecessary files, optimizing build speed and image size. Docker Compose simplifies multi-service deployments for machine learning systems. It orchestrates services like API servers, databases, Redis, and monitoring tools using a YAML configuration. Key components include health checks, environment variables, and volume management. Services restart unless stopped, ensuring resilience. Start the stack with Docker Compose Up-D for seamless integration and operation. Monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining ML models in production. Track prediction latency, throughput, and error rates to meet service-level agreement requirements. Monitor prediction accuracy and feature drift to detect model degradation. Implement intelligent alerts for anomalies and performance issues. Use structured logging to capture request details and errors for debugging and compliance. Prometheus is essential for monitoring containerized applications, efficiently scraping and storing metrics. Using the Prometheus client library with FastAPI, define custom metrics like request count and request latency. Implement middleware to capture request metrics, and mount a Prometheus metrics endpoint for seamless integration with visualization tools like Grafana. Structured logging enhances debugging by making logs searchable and analyzable. Using JSON format, logs include timestamps, levels, and contextual data. Implement a structured logger in Python, formatting logs with JSON formatter. Log predictions and errors with additional fields like request ID and latency. This approach integrates seamlessly with FastAPI, ensuring comprehensive logging for production environments. Model performance can degrade due to data drift, where real-world data shifts from training data. Establish baselines by recording feature and prediction distributions. Continuously monitor incoming data, using statistical tests to compare against baselines. Trigger alerts when drift exceeds thresholds, analyze root causes, and retrain models if necessary. Tools like Evidently AI and YLabs assist in drift detection. Testing machine learning systems extends beyond traditional software testing. Validate data quality, model behavior, and application programming interface functionality. Conduct unit tests for functions, integration tests for component interactions, and data validation tests for input schemas. Model tests ensure prediction consistency, while end-to-end tests cover user flows. Use PyTest for fixtures and asynchronous testing, and Hypothesis for property-based testing. Blue-green deployment involves maintaining two identical environments, allowing instant rollback by switching traffic after validation. Canary deployment gradually rolls out changes, minimizing risk by monitoring metrics. A/B testing compares model versions scientifically. Feature flags enable configuration-based control without redeployment. Platforms like Kubernetes and Amazon Web Services, SageMaker support these strategies, enhancing release management for small teams. Invest in robust architecture and system design for scalability and debugging ease. Offer APIs and GUIs using Fast API and PIQT6. Containerize with Docker for consistency. Implement comprehensive monitoring and testing at all levels. Design for adaptability to accommodate model drift and evolving requirements. Utilize resources like Fast API, PIQT6, and Docker documentation, and recommended books and courses for deeper learning.